Okay, so I'm going to plot the latitude, longitude, and information from the Google spreadsheet that I did for the Dhaka, Bangladesh. And so I've sort of transposed that onto some notes here. And here's our map. So if you take a look, you've got up here degrees west of the prime meridian, degrees east of the prime meridian. So essentially, these all represent lines of longitude. They're the long lines. And they start from 0, which is what's Greenwich, goes through Greenwich, England, since that's who the people who came up with the idea of longitude came from there. They decided they get to have 0. And then it goes 180 degrees to the west of the prime meridian and 180 degrees to the east. And so basically the international date line is sort of on the other side of the 0 degree, more or less. And then we also have lines of latitude, the equator being 0. And then it goes up 90 degrees north of the equator, like rungs of a ladder, and 90 degrees south of the equator. So east-west are lines of latitude, north-south are lines of longitude. So if I'm going to plot my data, first of all, I kind of know ballpark. Bangladesh is in this here area-ish, right? So that kind of is a good starting point just to kind of do the gut check also. So I come over here and I see, okay, so it's 23.7 degrees north and 90.4 degrees east. Well, the accuracy of my graph isn't going to be all that great, so I'm just going to go with 24 and 90. So 24 degrees north. So that's 24 degrees north of the equator. So since I know that this is 0, right, this is the equator going all the way across. And this next one is 20. So, and then the next one is 40. It means that I'm going to be kind of somewhere around here-ish for my latitude. And then I have 90 degrees east, and that's east of the prime meridian. There's 80, there's 100, so 90 kind of goes between. Notice that it sort of circles around. So I'm right about here is my plot of where Dhaka, Bangladesh is. I don't have to write the name because I've just plotted the latitude and longitude. And then for it, I'm going to plot the average temperature in June, the average temperature in December, and the annual precipitation in that exact order. So I'm just going to write 84, 64, and what was the other one? 74. So I know that this is degrees, I know this is degrees, and I know this is inches because I've plotted in that order. So what I want you to do with the rest of the class data, once it's been posted by 9:30 class time, take all the data that's been posted and post all of those data points on your map.